Our Nobel project is essentially building those advanced molecular tools, including gene editing tools, so that we can begin to actually expand our understanding of this group of organisms and really start using them to help meet these societal grand challenges. And so this is Macrocystis. It's the beautiful giant kelps that we can see off the coast of California, all the way up into sort of Canada. And these are huge, beautiful organisms that we know almost nothing about. So we're pushing our gene editing technologies into those organisms. And that's actually going to enable us to understand and work with how they grow and how they grow in a changing climate.
Historically, emerging technologies are kind of developed and deployed without thinking about what the downstream consequences might be in like 5, 10, 20 years. We're working on an aspect of this project called anticipatory governance that tries to link together the legal and policy issues with the work that's being done in the lab on a real-time basis. So as part of this project, we're going to imagine how might kelp be used 5, 10, 30 years from now. Let's figure out by talking with stakeholders and experts, what are the things that we like about that? What are the things we're concerned about? And then kind of bring that back to today and ask, how can law, regulation, commercialization be changed so as to minimize the negative impacts and optimize the positive impacts?
If people are really concerned about climate change and the fact that we have tons of carbon emissions that are produced just by our daily lives and the way we live now. And so we think about ways that we can actually balance that out biologically. And so there's a lot of talk about how plants, through photosynthesis, plants pull carbon out of the air and then hold it in their bodies. Well, seaweeds do the same thing, but they do it even better than any plant we know. We're also really passionate about training the next generation. And so for us, that means having scientists on our team that are undergraduate, graduate students, but also people from the legal and policy side. And I think that's deeply important to us because what we need more than just money and time and our minds, right, are the minds and passion and training of people who are going to go into science and business and policy in the future and really help continue impacting the way that our world is hopefully going to be more responsible, more sustainable, and more caring in general.